Okay, let us continue for the part 2 of the lecture. I'm sorry I couldn't make it 15 minutes. I was advised by colleagues that it is easier to upload the video if it is 15 minutes or less in this duration. If it is more than that, it may be difficult to upload it. Unfortunately, these part 2 sometimes they are short. For example, this one is just 3 slides. No matter, it's okay. So the name of Bonnet coming from a British scientist, lived in 17th to 18th century, and there is a diagram, and he used it to teach his student some more than 100 years ago, and it is still useful. However, it has limitation. You can't use it if it is complicated. If you are studying 1 or 2 traits, it is maybe you can use Punnett square. If you are going to use, for example, color of the eye, color of the skin, shape of the fingers, I don't know the status, it is short or tall and so on. It becomes difficult and complicated, so that scientists usually go to statistical analysis using statistical program to predict the offsprings. Okay, probably this is the last slide. Determining if the genotype heterozygous or homozygous. You remember there is a photo for a man with the freckles that was in lecture 2 or 1, I can't remember. Can you tell if this man is homozygous or heterozygous? Although the freckle is dominant, yes, he got the dominant trait, freckle. Is he pure? Of course, he can't be recessive. He can't be small f. But the possibility is either capital F, or capital F, small f. Can you tell by examining him? The answer is no. Maybe go to his offsprings, right? After the crossing. So there are 2 possibility results when a man with a freckle reproduce with a woman who does not have a freckle. If the man is homozygous dominant, all his children have freckle. If the man is heterozygous, each children has 50. So you take this man and try to find a woman for him with no freckles, and try to persuade her to marry him and ask him not to argue with each other till they having many children, 4 or 5 children. Then you will wait and see if all the children have a freckles. So I said, oh yes, this man is homogeneous. That means capital F. If half of half, some of children have and the other not, so he is heterozygous because the lady is small f. True? So you need 20-30 minutes, years to determine. You have to have them crossed. You have male and female and having children, and you examine the children, and from the children you will tell whether she was homozygous or heterozygous. Okay? The birth of just one child without a freckle, of course. If one of them, that means both of them F. From where they got the second one? The lady, of course, got all F, small f. But from the man, if he got the other one, so that means the father was capital F, small f. And that's the end. Thank you. Let me close it for you.